Hello everybody, this is me Kate here and welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete all your TikTok reposts at once. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go ahead and open TikTok at your device. After that, you can just simply view the videos that you have reposted on the TikTok by going to your profile by tapping on this profile icon right here, and at your screen you will see a repost option just below that add yours option. Go ahead and then you will see the videos that you have reposted. Suppose here I have reposted 2 videos and I want to remove the repost from this first video. I will simply tap on that video and again go to the share button, and I will just simply again tap on this remove post, and then the repost will get removed. So this is how you can remove a single video. But what if you want to delete all your TikTok repost at once? So for that you have to go to the 3 icon at the top right hand corner and then go to settings and privacy. After that go to report a problem. You will see after scrolling a little bit, and then tap on report a problem. Again keep on scrolling, and at the bottom you will see submit a report option. Tap on there and then type your issue that you have. Suppose say you want to delete all your TikTok reposts at once, and then make sure to take a screenshot and attach that screenshot to your report as well. After that go ahead and click on that submit option and your report will be submitted. TikTok data center. After that wait until TikTok hears you back. So this is how you can delete all the reposts on TikTok at once. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel, like our video, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial. And thank you for watching till the end. We will see you on next video.